I love you, you love me. How are you, my little angels? Are you okay? I am fine. I hope you're fine too. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu, Learning Simplified. Now, we have been doing patterns. We did the counting in twos, in ones, in threes, in fours, in five. Like for example, what were the rules for number 5? When you're counting in fives, we said the number must end with a 0 or a 5. For example, I've been given a number 60, 65, 70, and I'm told complete the pattern here. How do I complete the pattern? If this number has a 0, this one has a 5, this one has a 0, and this one has a 5, what does it tell me? It tells me that the next number here must have a 5. And so, if this is 60, 65, this is 70, 75. What if the number pattern is addition of 10? Rule for counting in tens, what did we say? Counting in tens, the number ends either with that number or a 0. If the starting number is 6, all the other numbers must have a 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. If the ending number is 0, all the other numbers must have a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If the ending number is a 4, all the other numbers must end with 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. For example, I have here 24, 34, 44, then we have a missing number, then we have a 64. So, what does this one tell? This one is addition of tens because the number is increasing by 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So, what does it tell you? If 2 increased by 1, it is 3. 3 increased by 1, it is 4. 4 when you add 1, what do you get? You get a 5. And because all the second numbers are 4, it means the number is 54. Now we are here. We are talking about 20, 30, 40. Then I'm told we have a missing number. Then we come to 60. So what are we supposed to do? We are talking about a missing number. So we say 20, 30. It's increasing by 10. So if 20 plus 10 gives me 30. 30 plus 10 gives me 40. 40 plus 10 should give me a 50. So our missing number is 50. What if they have given us in a different way like this? 33, 43, 53, 63, 83. What did we say? The rule for counting in tens. Counting in tens, you say the number ends with that number throughout. The ending number is the same in all the numbers, which means even the ending number here is 3. And now you increase the first number by 1. So if I say 33 plus 10 will give me 43. 43 plus 10 will give me 53. 53 plus 10 gives me 63. Now 63 plus 10 gives you what? 63 plus 10 gives you 73. So our missing number is 73. Grade 1s, are we together? Is that okay? Now, what if you have been given the numbers like this? Now, these ones, you must calculate them in your books. Calculate them in your books and tell me the missing numbers. This one you calculate in your books. So you're telling me you first identify the pattern, then you fill in the missing numbers. Are we together? I hope we are all together. So, when we meet in the next lesson, I want to see that work well done. And that is the end of our addition pattern. Any question? Any problem? Anybody who feels like I should do this more and more? Now, with the help of the guardians, I want to see these patterns, number patterns, done very well. So that when I meet tomorrow, we are gonna go through them before we start the next topic. Is that okay? Are we together? It was nice having you around, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.